Hello everyone, let's have a quick class. Before proceeding to the trading topics, I would like to first clear some basic concept, as I think many of us are not familiar with the stock market at all. So if you are an investor or trader, you want to buy or sell the shares in market, how will you proceed? So suppose we are here, we are investor and we need to buy and sell the stock, so we need to approach some entity called brokers. There are many brokers, you already heard the names: Zerodha, Groww, Upstox, Sunya, Define Edge. There are multiple platforms, SBI Cap Securities, Kotak Securities, HDFC Securities. These are called the brokers. And then these brokers are the intermediaries between the exchanges and us. So there are two exchanges for equities. One is NSE and second one is BSE, and these are the brokers: Zerodha, Upstox, Groww, Sunya, etc. This is us. And suppose we are buying some stock, where that stock will be stored. So NSDL is created one depository, it is called NSDL, National Security Depository, and BSE is created this CDSL, Central Depository. And another entity is there, which is SEBI, which formulates all the rules which will be applicable to investors or traders, to the brokers and to the exchanges, for everyone. So these are called exchanges. These are depositories. These are the brokers, or in sophisticated language they are called DP, Depository Participants. It means they are the participants for this NSDL and CDSL. Okay, and these brokers will provide us one BOID, and broker have DPID, a unique DPID for each broker. Okay, and this BOID is beneficial owner identification number, and this DPID is depository participant identification number. Okay, I think we if you want to buy sell stocks, we first need to open account with any of the broker. Then these brokers will help us to buy and sell through exchanges, and what we will buy or we will sell from these depositories only by using our brokers and exchanges. Thank you.